The VDP Manager plugin offers two different modes of working with the substitution of variable data into text objects. The first method is to completely replace the text that is present in the template with new data. For example, we can specify an object with arbitrary text in the template, assign data to it, and result get the substituted data. This scenario works well in many cases. However, sometimes a more complex approach to substituting variable data is required. For this, the VDP Manager offers the ability to replace tokens present in the text of template objects with variable data. For example, if in our template we have a large static text of which only individual elements need to be changed, then we can select the token replacement mode and specify what exactly needs to be replaced with the corresponding data. The token names can be arbitrary. The main thing is that they should not intersect or coincide with other text. After the generation is complete, we will get a combination of static text with variable data, while the formatting of the variable text will be preserved, for example color, font and other parameters. Token replacement also works in linked text frames, even if they are located on different pages of the template. In addition, for a template on both one and several pages, you can select a layout on a larger format printed sheet. As a result, after substituting variable data, individual jobs will be placed in the desired order, correctly preserving the links between frames. Token replacement can also be used in artistic text if complex formatting is required. For example, if only a small part of the number is variable.